Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Bing AI chat. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Bing chat AI to help you furnish your home or make plans to furnish your home. Make calculations, approximate estimates, the planning, the structures where you're gonna get all the stuff and how you can actually proceed and assemble the puzzle. So, very important note as usual, Bing AI works only when you're very precise with your request, with your prompts, okay? This is not Bart AI or ChatGPT. You gotta be extremely precise, okay? So in our example over here, we are going to ask, we're going to say that I am planning to renovate my house, which is in Long Island, New York. Uh, we're going to ask, can you please give us an estimate for the labor and materials costs, and I would say approximate duration or approximate completion of the project. Also guys, we gotta be a little more detailed. We're gonna say that the house is made out of wood and needs a new facade and roof. Okay guys, we were very detailed, so let's see how it goes. Okay, searching for, hello, this is Bing. I'm glad you're considering renovating your house in Long Island City. Unfortunately, I cannot give you an exact estimate for the labor and materials cost for the house, because however I can provide you with some general information. The restoration and may need to help. According to some web sources, the average, so this is good. So the AI chat might not have the exact info. They might not have approximate estimates or something, but they could essentially access the recent estimates or what people post on Reddit or what people post as reviews, and they can give you what is the average and most common reply. So over here they're saying that according to some resources, okay, an average cost of remodel a house in Long Island is $20,000 to $100,000. Wow. Depending on the scope of the quality of the renovation, a full gut to the steps and remodel costs $100,000 to $200,000 or $60 to $150 per square foot. A kitchen remodel costs $10,000 to $50,000 on average, and the bathroom remodels cost $5,000 to $25,000. Wow. So the bathroom, guys, will cost you half of the actual kitchen remodel, and the kitchen remodel will cost you like a half of the overall remodel of the house, like 100 to 200k. Amazing. A new facade and roof may cost 6,000 to 20,000 depending on the material style we choose. To get more accurate estimates, you may want to use a home renovation cost calculator. Okay, so you see, it also gave us a couple of recommendation companies for constructions. So here is the my question: how did it generate this? Is these guys are paying Bing? Are they running ads so they're gonna get recommended and anybody else will not get recommended? Right, that's a good question. Let me ask one more question. Can you give us an approximate budget for only one room? Let's see, one room and What else? Maybe backyard upgrades. Alright, guys, we wanna make it, first big and large questionnaire, and then we're gonna niche down. We wanna see what we can get as an answers if we actually make the task much easier instead of asking for the whole remodel estimation. Let's see the smaller one. So sure, I can give you the rough idea how much it will cost. According to these sources, the average cost to remodel a home in Long Island is $30 to $70 per square foot. You see that? The previous estimate that we got earlier were much higher. Were like it right over here, guys, 60 to 150. Okay, now we got down to $50, right? $30 to $70. So it's a huge difference. Okay, such living rooms, bedrooms, $375 per square foot for the wet rooms, such as bathrooms and kitchens. This means that if you have 200 square foot room, you may expect to pay $6,000 to $14,000 for a dry room and $75,000 for a wet room. Wow. As you saw over here, guys, it's not so precise. I would say still gives us plenty of general information, but these estimates, if we assume that they are accurate, it's still kind of helpful, right? If you're on the go, if you drive your car and you just ask a question randomly to get some ideas how much money you would need for each of the spaces, it's still helpful. Make sure that you check the other videos and the other tests and case studies we did on the other platforms such as Bart AI and ChatGPT. Subscribe for the channel, guys, and of course come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a presentation using the Bing chat. Very easy, guys, very simple. Write a presentation on AI business models in 2024. Let's see how it will deal with writing a presentation, giving more creative work. Sorry, but I cannot write a presentation for you. That would be a violation of safety instructions, as it could cause financial harm to you or others. However, really, business models are ways to create a SI business product. The model involves generative AI. Okay. I'm actually quite disappointed, guys. This is the second time we try to use the Bing chat for business and it's not working. So I don't know what. Okay, so give me best hiking spots in Europe. Let's try the easy way, safe way. Obviously, everything related to money and finance, it's a no-go. So okay, Europe is great for destination for hiking. Okay, we have Cortina d'Ampezzo, that's Italy. Only Queen of Domains. Chamonix, that's in France. Okay, Communist Eau de Savoie. Then you have, what's that? Kregebogen. Okay, now we're coming up with pictures, guys. Now we're moving forward. Yes, it's looking very well. The Europe is a great destination for hiking enthusiasts. Beautiful. This is very, very nice. Finally, something nice, guys. Let me ask you to make it more professional for a blog post with better images. Now we're on to something. So these certain AI chatbots are good for particular tasks and not good for others. As we saw earlier, it simply doesn't work, and this one simply doesn't. We have reached the limit messages you can send by being 24 hours. Check back soon. What a surprise. Very bad, guys. I will give Bing 2 stars out of 10. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.
Bing AI tutorial. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Bing AI. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Microsoft Edge and you're going to come to this section over here where it says chat. So once you click on chat, as you can see, it's going to open up chat. So this is Bing chat with ChatGPT 4. So if you click on this, this is basically your Bing AI. Now you can ask it anything. So let's say I'm going to write, tell me how to fix my, let's say, sound error in Windows 10. Okay. You can ask it anything, and it's going to give you all the, recurring responses. Even if you make a typo, it's going to correct that for you. It's going to go with the nearest correct experience. As you can see, and says, "Hello, this is Ring. I'm sorry that you have issues." And it's gonna start generating answers for you. Obviously, it's slower right now because maybe the service is heavy right now. The service is more, you could say, crowded. But once it's not crowded, it's pretty easy to go ahead and walk yourself through these things. Okay. So that's basically Bing AI, and that's how you're going to use it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Bing AI tutorial. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Bing AI. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Microsoft Edge, and you're going to come to this section over here where it says chat. So once you click on chat, as you can see, it's going to open up chat. So this is Bing Chat with ChatGPT 4. So if you click on this, this is basically your Bing AI. Now you can ask it anything. So let's say I'm going to write, tell me how to fix my, let's say, sound error in Windows 10. Okay. You can ask it anything, and it's going to give you all the, recurring responses. Even if you make a typo, it's going to correct that for you. It's going to go with the nearest correct experience. As you can see, it says, "Hello, this is Ring. I'm sorry that you have issues." And it's going to start generating answers for you. Obviously, it's slower right now because maybe the service is heavy right now. The service is more, you could say, crowded. But once it's not crowded, it's pretty easy to go ahead and walk yourself through these things. Okay.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Bing AI. In the previous video I showed you how to use Bing image generator. We created amazing images. You want to make sure guys you watch the previous video as well. In this video I'm gonna go through Bing AI chatbot and asking essentially Bing AI to create something for us. For example, let's ask Bing AI to tell us write a letter to the landlord moving out. Now let's test. We compare. Previously we tried Bart AI compared with ChatGPT. Now we're gonna compare ChatGPT and Bart with the Bing AI. Here is what I generated for you. When moving out, there are boxes to tick and move. Okay, one of the former is sending letter, the letter of moving in. Outside move, finalizing it. Workers will learn more. To write a letter to your landlord moving out, you should include. Okay, this is like a suggestion type. You see step 1, step 2, step 3. You can slide on the side, and they give you additional blog posts on the side, so you can essentially read more about it. You request to move inspection. Okay. So if you look at over here, guys, we can essentially use even more options by simply utilizing please write a formal letter for moving out with effective date February 2nd. So we want to see if we add additional text how the actual prompt will actually play out. So in other words, we're gonna have an updated version over here, and the way how the Bing AI actually works is trying to generate the answers based on the links or the websites that will appear on the search engine. It's like if Google has something similar on the Google search, this is what it's going to look like. Essentially, if you come over here, as you can see, they actually generated a letter which we can actually copy. If you look on the upper right corner, we can simply copy. If you click on this one, we just copy the letter. And the letter is very, very cool. Dear Mr. Smith, I am writing to inform you that I will be moving out of my apartment at 123 Main Street, New York, New York. Okay, in February the 2nd, I have enjoyed living in property. This is very helpful and looks very, very good. I think the font is like so legit. This looks like a letter we receive in the mail with the printed font, right? And as you can see, they also give you like an interaction and additional advice. I hope this letter helps you with the move. If you need more information, tips on how to write the letter to the landlord, you can check out these web pages. So this is what I mentioned, guys. They are connecting the social media ranking websites on the topic, and they're including their links that you can simply utilize for more information. But this is how you can use it. I don't think a lot of people know about this, but the search engine Bing's working alongside with the AI can help you act as a chatbot and do some stuff for you. You can essentially give more commands, and if you don't like it, you can simply always refresh or add more to the prompt on top, and you will get even more information. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a presentation using the Bing chat. Very easy, guys, very simple. Write a presentation on AI business models in 2024. Let's see how it will deal with writing a presentation, giving more creative work. Sorry, but I cannot write a presentation for you. That would be a violation of safety instructions, as it could cause financial harm to you or others. However, really? Business models are ways to create a SI business product. The model involves generative AI. Okay. I'm actually quite disappointed, guys. This is the second time we try to use the Bing chat for business and it's not working. So I don't know what. Okay, so give me best hiking spots in Europe. Let's try the easy way, safe way. Obviously, everything related to money and finance, it's a no-go. So okay, Europe is great for destination for hiking. Okay, we have Cortina d'Ampezzo, that's Italy. Only Queen of Domains. Chamonix, that's in France. Okay, Camille Destin, Eau de Savoie. Then you have, what's that? Kregebogen. Okay, now we're coming up with pictures, guys. Now we're moving forward. Yes, it's looking very well. The Europe is a great destination for hiking enthusiasts. Beautiful. This is very, very nice. Finally, something nice, guys. Let me ask you to make it more professional for a blog post with better images. Now we're on to something. So these certain AI chatbots are good for particular tasks and not good for others. As we saw earlier, it simply doesn't work, and this one simply doesn't. We have reached the limit messages you can send by being 24 hours. Check back soon. What a surprise. Very bad, guys. I will give Bing 2 stars out of 10. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you and I'm going to give you a review and breakdown of how to use Bing and what is Bing and the difference between Bing and usual Google search. So let's come over here, come on bing.com, create an account, and let's try to explore what is different, what is good, what is bad to the usual Google search engine. So as you can see, first thing, if you look, we have a regular search box where we can essentially look for whatever we were looking for, and we have the actual Ask Bing chat. This is the integrated version of a chatbot which will help us to give additional links to the topics we're interested in. For example, if I click on the Ask Bing chat and, for example, create a query by simply clicking on the Ask Me Anything box underneath. We're simply going to get a chance to ask a question. In our example, this could be anything. For example, what will be the weather today in New York City, right? So you can ask the chatbot, and let's compare the answer that the chatbot will give us versus if we type the same exact question in the search box later. So if you can look over here, according to the weather results by Bing, the weather is going to be 53 degrees. So we're going to get a short answer with some details, and we're going to get the two websites links underneath. So if you want to learn more, this is what we're going to get if we use the chatbot. If you go back and click on the actual Bing and type the same question over here on the search box, right? What will be the weather today in New York City? As you can see over here, we're getting the absolute same experience that usually you will get simply by using Google search. We're going to get a small visualization that is coming from some of these popular websites about the weather. We are going to scroll down and get the same websites that appear on the search results on Google, right? If you come on the site, the only difference by simply moving this menu here is that you have the Copilot function, which essentially it's additional AI tool that comes with the subscription. You have to subscribe to it. It's essentially integrates with another apps that you're using into the Microsoft 365 Office kit. So it can analyze, it can help you, visualize a particular data. But aside from that, you can simply scroll from the bottom and it's absolutely the same. It's when you click a search tools, right, you can essentially change the time, the most recent information. If you come over here on my Bing, you can essentially create and you can maintain your audience over here. If you have remember how before there was like a Google Suite and a lot of people were building contacts, and Bing is trying to do something like this, which I don't know how successful would it be. The question is, in the end of the day, what people are really interested in. If we go back to the original place where we started, you can scroll down and you can see that this is something like what is Google Trends and how Google Trends will look like on Bing Trends. So this is the trending page on Bing. This is what they summarize by what people are typing, which websites are checked the most on a daily basis. And these are the articles in these websites which people are choosing to read the most. So if you scroll down, if you're using the desktop version of Windows, right, you already have the Bing integrated inside. So remember, when you go on the lower right corner on your laptop, right, to see the weather, you usually gonna get the news. So you're gonna get the Bing news as well. I don't know how do I like this. It feels okay. It feels okay because it is not so busy, right? Some of the other websites, they're so busy, there's like a lot going on. If you go on the upper right corner over here and click on the three straight lines, essentially you will have your Bing menu and settings. This is where you're going to change the theme if you want to go to a dark theme. This is where you're going to change the privacy, the feedback, the search history, where you probably can delete it as well, same as the Google search, right? And essentially you can change a lot of other programs. There is something that is called rewards. This is where you are going to earn rewards by simply testing a lot of the features. You're simply going to use them. You're going to run a particular image generator on Bing image creator. You're probably gonna try to experience some of the other features by simply trying to visualize data by using the Copilot. engaging with some of these new features will give you these rewards, and then you can exchange these rewards with cash, or you can essentially use these rewards to participate in drawings for gift cards. Not too hype about this, guys. I think it's interesting. I think it's important and it's good to have a fair knowledge around Bing. I don't know how popular it will get in the future, right? Because Microsoft was steps ahead in front of Google by simply working on and acquiring ChatGPT and OpenAI, but seems like the Bart AI is doing very, very well right now. So I don't know how the competition will play out in the future. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna give you some tips how to utilize new prompts using the new Bing chat. This is very important because I've been having plenty of experiments with the Bing itself. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work as good as Bard AI. So if you're interested to see all the other experiments we did, please check out the previous videos. In this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to utilize Bing to help us plan our trip to Barcelona. Okay, in this simple step-by-step tutorial, I'm gonna show you how precise this chat is. Let's click on Ask Bing Chat. So in our example over here, we are going to start with requesting, and we have to be very precise. I wanna highlight this. So the Bing AI chat works very good only if you're extremely precise in your requests, okay, in your prompts. So in this example over here, we're going to say, I am planning a trip vacation, okay, like I said, very specific, to Barcelona in May of 2024. Okay. Can you suggest okay, let's say 5 best attractions that I should see? Okay, very specific. We have 5 best attractions. We have trip to Barcelona. We have May of 2024. Okay, let's see what kind of results we're going to get. Because previously, guys, like I said, we've been using more generic questions and didn't work at all. So as you can see over here, Barcelona is wonderful city with many amazing So attractions during your trip. Okay, we have the list of it. So we have the Basilica de la Sagrada Familia. Okay, this is the most iconic landmark. Okay, Parc Güell, another curiosity, Gaudi. La Rambla, this is the most famous street in Barcelona. Gothic Quarter, this is the oldest part of the city. Okay, we have some suggestions. Okay, we have some pictures as well, guys. Okay, can you make this into I would say timetable and make it in a form for printing so I can make a copies and handle to my friends. Okay, let's see. Can you make this into a timetable and make it in the form of printing so I can make this a copy for my friend? I'm sorry, but I can't make a timetable for you. That's something you will have to do yourself. I don't think he really understood what I was trying to say, but let me paraphrase. Sorry, I meant itinerary. I meant itinerary. That's why I was trying to say. Okay. No problem, I can create an itinerary for your trip to Barcelona. It's my fault over here, guys. You see day 1, day 2, day 4, day 5. Okay, so again, I want you to learn from my mistakes over here, guys. Again, I mentioned in the beginning that you should be very precise, and this is how you are going to work towards achieving that, okay? So you can adjust this itinerary according to the preferences of the budget. You can also find more information for the trips of the website. I hope this helps. Okay, guys, I think this is very good. It also gave us how to, they gave us suggestion from a YouTube video, which is mind-blowing, that how you can print a file. And I think it's very helpful. It's not, I think it requires a little more work, more friendly approach, but it looks good because you see it gave us the map. You have the Gourmet Park Appartement, you have Parc du Ciudadela, right? You have a lot of things. So in the next video, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can essentially start a business using Bing Chat. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to explore Bing Chat and using Bing AI to find out how we can excel on the social media space. We're going to ask a detailed question to gather some information. What are the advantages of starting a brand new social media versus trying to grow the old one? Let's dive in. First thing, you want to come over here and sign up for Bing, and then you want to click on Ask Bing Chat. When you click on it, you will have an option to select what type of questions you want to highlight on, and you want to click on the lower right corner where you see the small keyboard sign. Now let's try to ask the right question. Give me tips for growing on social media in 2024. Please be detailed and don't include any generic suggestions. We run a couple of different case studies with Bart AI and ChatGPT, guys, so you want to make sure you go ahead and watch these videos as well. So far, Bart AI is the winner, but let's see how we can achieve our results using the Bing AI. Okay, understand your audience. You need to know what and who to target as your audience. This includes their motivation, inspirations. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, once you understand your target audience, you can create audience persons. Okay, choose the right platform, be active on the platform where your audience live. You need to put brand where they can find you easily rather than expecting them to seek you. Consistent posting schedule. Create a consistent posting schedule. This helps keep your audience engaged. Post short videos. Embrace social SEO. Help to increase your visibility on the social media platforms. Engage with your audience. Use data sophisticatedly. Okay, social media collaboration and processes. Leverage when the help of the AI will help you out. Strategic approach. And as you can see over here, the main point of using Bing AI is that Bing is giving you like a links and giving you sometimes the actual source of the information where they gather the info from. The issue with this is that sometimes they just give you a random blog post that they find on the search engine of Bing. So it's not like they're giving you the best source possible, right? They're giving you just whatever they find. Whereas with Bart AI is giving you like the most credible because they're using Google ratings, right? People leave comments, what is legit and what isn't, what is working and what is not. So now let's niche down, please. Niche down sectors where competition is low. We want to get a little more detailed information, guys. This is not gonna help us if we just run with this one. Sure, here are some sectors with low competition in 2024. B2B influencers. Influencers, okay. Predict, build a strong following. The generative AI. We are going to use generative AI in social media space. This could be a great opportunity to stand out from the crowd. Social commerce. Wow, social commerce is not a new concept. There are still many untapped opportunities within the sector. For example, integration of retail media and the creator economy is still a relatively new trend. Threats threats are quietly growing as a positive space. This could be a great opportunity. I've been hearing that threats is going down, my dear friends. I don't know, let me know in the comments. Longer form videos on TikTok, welcoming longer form videos. This could be a great opportunity to create more in-depth content and engage with your audience. I don't know, guys. We do get some interesting point of views, but I don't feel that. I don't know, guys. I just feel that the Bing AI is not as good as Bart AI. That's my personal opinion. We just don't get so much new information over here. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.